Hey friends, so today we are making some sticky sweet orange marmalade chicken wings. These wings are ultra crispy. They're coated in this nice glossy citrusy glaze that is both sweet and savory. These wings are perfect for game day or family dinners or just whenever you need something that's just irresistible and delicious. So of course, this recipe will be on my website at plussizeInChicago.com, and you'll be able to see all the ingredients as well as how long to cook these wings and to make the sauce. So first, what we're going to do is start off by getting at least some whole chicken wings, or you can get some party wings. But the thing that I do always is make sure I rinse them off and pat them dry. I'm going to use these seasoning combinations, that's including that mango pepper as well as the smoked paprika and some polo asado. You can use any type of all-purpose seasoning. Just make sure that when you add your chicken wings to here, you have them patted dry. You can use some olive oil as a binder. So I like using olive oil because it's light and it helps the seasonings mix well when you are putting them on like different types of meat or even seafood. So once you get all of that done, you want to make sure that you have your oven prepped to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You want that preheating while you're getting your wings together. Now, I'm gonna also let you know that on my website, I do not have like the measurement of these seasonings because you may use more wings than what I'm using, or you may want more seasoning than what I have here. So you want to sprinkle them the amount of seasoning that you want. I just want to inform you what seasonings that I am using. So I have sprayed this cooking rack with some olive oil and I'm adding these wings there. They're gonna cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna cook one side for 45 minutes, and then after they've baked for 45 minutes, I'm gonna take them out the oven. I'm gonna flip each of these chicken wings over, and then they're going to bake for an additional 35 minutes, and we're gonna take them out and add the sauce to it. But these are how they look before I start flipping them over. And I want you to know this is the reason why I use a cooking rack, is because like once you add that olive oil on there and then you put them on this cooking rack, it does help the chicken wings become crispy, you know, as opposed to if I was to have baked them directly on the cookie sheet. So while those are continuing to bake, I am going to make my sauce. On my website, I'll have, again, the measurements for this sauce, and this is based upon the 15 whole wings or either 30 party wings. So this sauce is going to include 1.5 cups of orange marmalade, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of dried ginger, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and I'm going to also be using some mango chipotle seasoning. Now, some of these seasonings, I will have the affiliate links on my website too, so if you don't have them in your store, you can find them on Amazon too. That mango chipotle has a really nice smoky flavor with the mango flavor too. So that was a nice addition. So if you don't have this, you know, like in your local grocery store, you can get this on Amazon like I did. So the next step is to put this bowl of sauce into a pot and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And it's just gonna make it like a nice glaze that you can just pour over the wings once they're done. So again, I'm gonna heat this up for like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take out the wings. I'm gonna place them in a bowl. And you can like put the wings like on a cookie sheet right away, but I just add them to a bowl. It was just easier for me to do that. And once I do that, I'm gonna pour the glaze all over the chicken wings, and then I'm gonna pour those back onto the cookie sheet, and I've added like a clean sheet of aluminum foil, and I'm gonna pour those wings on there, and I'm gonna add them to the broiler and let them bake under the broiler for about 10 minutes, just to add like some, you know, like caramelization to the sauce, as well as make them a little bit more browner. So yeah, that is it. That is how you make these orange marmalade chicken wings. And again, they're very crispy, they're flavorful, you know, you're gonna be eating more than one. You probably ain't gonna want to even share them. But yes, I really hope you all liked what I cooked in the kitchen today. I really appreciate you guys coming back to my channel to watch what I'm making. And I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys have a great day. So friends, if you're watching this on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, shout out to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, or maybe you're following me on one of those social media platforms. Thank you so much for coming back and cooking with me again. If you are new here, my name is Angela, and this is my account Plus Size in Chicago, where I make a lot of easy to cook comfort food meals. You'll also see me reviewing different restaurants in the greater Chicagoland area, or maybe showing you some places I ate while on vacation. Be sure to subscribe or follow me. Also leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time.